This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below.
Morning guys, it's April 2nd, 2019. April 2nd, 2019. This one here I got a call for no heat, oil burner. This guy usually tries to play around with it himself, but maybe he's not around. I don't know. I got a call from his girlfriend, so going over there now. Said there's oil in the tank. The lights are all on, but it's not running. But we'll go over there and see what's going on with it. I think I've changed, did an annual over there not too long ago. Nozzle filter type of thing. We'll try to get you some shots. Miss Molly is working again, yo. Miss Molly is working again, yo. Are you working again? Huh? You want to drive? I know you want to drive. Yeah, you love driving. You love driving in the truck. Yeah, you love driving. You want to drive it? No. Yeah, you want to drive the truck. Yeah, you want to drive. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. You love driving. Oh yeah, you love driving. You love driving the truck. It's off on safety. Feeder stuck, purge zones, new nozzle, good oil flow, good draft over fire. Yeah, so it looks good. See if we get oil in. Oil. Check the transformer. That's good. We'll try a new nozzle on it. It could be the controls acting up too. Cadsel's all clean, that's fine. I'm going to attach that wire a little better there, see it? It's barely on there. That might be our problem, or it's not helping it any. Might have just been a bad nozzle. I don't know how many times we hit the reset. How many times did he hit the reset?
How many times?
Yeah.
Once or twice.
That's it? Yeah.
Why?
Well, I was just wondering because when I started it's smoking a little bit.
Ah.
Yeah, that's a good draft right there. Might have just been a bad nozzle.
Huh.
We had good oil flow, good spark, so I changed the nozzle.
Okay.
And I tightened up these two connectors over here on the CAD cell.
Oh, great.
Relay, but it's running. It's
Okay.
fired right up. When I first started, it smoked a little bit because that's because you hit the reset a couple of times.
Oh, okay.
All right, let me just pack up. That should take care of it.
All right. Well, thank you.
If it goes out again, we'll get into it deeper. But I don't think that. I think I fixed the problem because he should try restarting it, right?
Yeah,
And it didn't fire.
Yeah. So tell me, so I can tell him what did.
I'm gonna write it down on the tag.
Okay, that's great.
And he can always call me if he needs, if I tell you, you're probably not going to understand it so well, right?
Probably.
Well, I changed this,
Okay.
the nozzle.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Alright, new nozzle, good oil flow, good draft over fire, we connected FF wires. I think that's going to be fine. It's a good sized unit. Calls for 135. I run a little 75 in here. I've been doing it for years. It runs fine. So take care of it.